Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on TD Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the search box, type in TD Bank employee login and then start your search. Now from the search results, click on the first link which says sign in TD. This will now take you into the employee portal for TD Bank. Just type in your username that you have set while creating your account within the username section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your TD Bank employee account right away. In case you forget your password, you will need to contact the customer support team for TD Bank and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.